Hi everyone. In this video, we will create prototype design for the login. We will keep it simple. Remember that in this state, we doesn't have reset password and change password. So let's make it simple. For this job, I'm using Affinity Designer and you can use anything you want. I use this software because it's one-time payment and it's a great software for a developer like me. If you're getting tired of Adobe and subscription, maybe you also want to move into Affinity product like me. All of the software is one-time payment and I really like it. I will give the link in the video description, and it's not a promotion link because they don't have affiliate link. So yeah, I'll let you know just because I like it so much. Okay, let's start. I will create new page. Yeah, I will use this resolution, full HD. Okay, now we can create our login. Remember, keep it simple. I will use the rectangle for the border. And we can also have the login title right here maybe. And then an image if we have a logo. Or we can just remove this login. We can just use the logo. And I will use text field for username. And also we'll use it for password field. Just type this as password. Let's zoom in, make it center. And now for the login button, we will use button. Just like that. And maybe we will make it smaller. Like this. Okay, I think this is quite simple and this is enough. That's it for this video. Next we will create dashboard prototype. Thank you for watching. See ya.